So what's going on, people? I guess everyone are doing good. Okay, let's jump into the video. This video is I'll teach you in this video about how do you use OD command. So OD command is nothing but to display the content of a file in various format such as octet and hexadecimal and ASCII format. That is how, like, if you need to print any file to this what formats, you can use OD command. Okay, now let's play with the file1.txt. okay, let's remove the directory. I don't need the directory. Then let's remove the number. Okay, you have a file. Okay, I'll go inside the file. Oh, it does not have a permission. Okay, let's come back. chmod, sorry, chmod, user group 0 plus is equal to write read execute to file. Okay, you need to use sudo. Okay, now I'll go for file.txt. Yes. Okay, this is some text inside the file. Do not say to anyone. Okay, let's close this file. Okay, so if you use OD command, if you do OD and a file name, it will display it in a octet byte. So it will display in a octal byte. By default, it will display in a octal byte. So if you need OD, if you need any files to be displayed in octal, then it will display in octal. Let's say you need to display it in a hexadecimal, then you need to use -x, that will display in a hexadecimal. So this is in octal, and this is in hexadecimal. Okay, let's say you need to display in a decimal format. How do you do? You need to use -d, that will display in a decimal format. Okay, let's say you need to display it in a ASCII character, then you need to use -c, that will display in a ASCII format. Okay, you got it? So see, there is some content, so this is some text. Okay, so that will be converted to ASCII format. Okay, you got it? Fine. Let's jump into the next one. If you use OD with capital letter A and X and the file name, which will display the character count, which will display the character count. This is how the character count will be displayed in OD. Let's say you used TD. So TD is basically to specify the output in some format. If you put TD, that this will specify in the format. Let's not only TD, if you use O, it will also specify in some format, and you can also use X, and you can also use N. Okay, N is not found, I guess, invalid. Okay. Okay, let's jump into the next one. Okay, if you need to see the word count, and you can also use to specify the word count. So this will be in the some binary format or something like that. So if you need to specify any binary, then you need to use this OD command. Okay, this is like too confusing, I know. Then if you need to skip the byte, like let's say you need to skip the byte, then you need to specify -j, and you need to specify the file name. This will totally skip the bytes. Okay, now you need to use endian, like a little endian, big endian. Then you can use li little endian and the file name. So this will print in little endian. Let's say you need to use in a big endian, then you need to specify big here, that will be specified in a big endian. Okay, so if you don't know how to use a OD command, so help will always be there. You can just go check how do you use, or else if you need in a brief explanation of how do you use OD command, then dump file in octal or other format. That is why we use OD command. Okay, I guess the OD has a version. Yeah, it has a version that is 8.32, and the person who has written this code, written the code for OD command. Okay, so that is all up, guys, and thank you for watching. Like you can explore this OD in a man page. Okay, not only I showed, you can just explore, and it will not exactly print as you wish. It will print in a binary format, something like that, but it will be confusing because you need to match with the numbers. Okay, that is too confusing. Okay, if you use man page, and then you will completely know how do you use the OD command. Okay, so thank you for watching.